Autumn here, and today I'm sorry for not posting for a while. I was taking my exam, so I didn't have time. So, but now I do, right? Right? Yeah, of course. But anyway, when today I checked the calendar, guess what? This year, on Easter, well, on the 1st of April. And guess what that means? April Fool's Day! Yay! No, I mean Easter on April Fool's Day on April Fool's Day on Easter can be quite fun. Why don't we talk about Easter first? So, speaking of Easter, everyone knows what that means. I'm sure everyone loves chocolate and would totally eat them for every meal. But definitely not me. Nope, never. But when it comes to Easter, isn't it a bit too much? I mean, sure, chocolate is for everyone. Sorry, I'm eating chocolate. Just kidding. Of course I'm not eating chocolate. Like, seriously, you know I'm not. I just have an idea for April Fools. A prank, you know. But here's a warning, it's gross. What if on April Fool's Day I tell you this thing is edible? You, this guy over here, you wouldn't. I hope want to eat it. If you do want to, go ahead. I'm a sweet little angel, right? Wrong. Phew. But anyway, that's pretty much what I want to talk about today. Sorry that today I just or something like that. But I still hope you enjoy it. Ooh, but don't go yet. I finally made myself an Instagram account. You guys can check it out. See? And that's all thanks to Millie. Millie, psst, say hi to the camera. Hello, everyone. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Bye!